Hey guys, it's Kay and Holo Taco has turned 5 years old. Now for this 5-year anniversary, they have released a mixed emotions collection. Now I feel like we know Holo Taco for their holographic nail polishes. They have shimmers, glitters, metallics, magnetics, multi-chromes, and probably others that I am forgetting. However, I don't believe they had thermals before, up until now, because this collection features 5 thermal nail polishes in some really funky color combos. If you have not heard of Holo Taco before, they are a vegan, cruelty-free, and tent-free nail polish brand made in the USA. And I know that Holo Taco is experiencing their mixed emotions and feelings, but I am undoubtedly curious to try out these colors, so let's go swatching these. Guilty pleasure. First, a quick shout out to the Holo Taco fulfillment team. I thought I was gonna have to post this video at the very end of the month, but my order actually got here the same week I placed it. So moving on to Guilty Pleasure, who ended up in 4th place in Simply's favorites poll during her live stream. Maybe not a popular shade, but we have a base that quickly transforms into a purple color when cool and then shifts to a flamingo pink when warm. It does have a hint of shimmer and scattered holo galloping throughout as well, but it is very responsive to that change in temperature. And I should add that you do not need water to create the color change. Your own body temperature is enough to do this for you. Now remember, these are limited edition shades, so if you're a fan of pink and purple, make sure to grab this before it sells out. Funny Feeling, and I just think it's funny that Funny Feeling was voted last place in Simply's poll, but it was also the 2nd shade to sell out on the website. So okay, what? Who lied? So this one turns quickly into a lively turquoise color when cold and then shifts to a chartreuse yellow or lime yellow when warm. We also have a scattering of holo glitter, very minimal though, and a bit of green shimmer running throughout. But moving on to the temperature test, you can see what a cool color pairing this is. For most people, the tip of the nail will be turquoise and beneath that will be the lime yellow color. And guys, I have to say, this is my favorite out of the whole collection. I would have definitely voted this one #1 if I hadn't been watching Simply stream on my TV. Deeply Superficial, which cannot get any cuter. This is such a pretty princess polish. Deeply Superficial has a pale pink color in its warm state, which is slightly translucent, that changes to a bright magenta pink when cool. Now the base also contains these multicolored iridescent flakies and a really nice dash of scattered holo. Now Deeply Superficial got #2 spot on Simply's poll, and I can definitely agree with that. This one is just pink perfection to me. You can see how there's really no fault with this formulation. The flakies, the holos, the pale pink with magenta are just like a pink lover's dream. Unless you're just not a fan of pink, there's really nothing to dislike here. Rage Bait. Rage Bait is a coral color in its cold state that changes to a yellow tangerine or just like a plain orange when warm. The base also contains that light hint of scattered holo, which honestly is barely visible. Don't expect to really see this, or the purple micro shimmer, it's just barely there. Now Rage Bait landed a #3 spot in Simply's poll, which I think it's fair. It's a cool color combo, but I can see how it's not #1 or #2 spot. Moving on to the color shifting action, this color combo mostly reminds me of 3 things: sweet alcoholic drinks, mangoes, and also gummy worms. So this is a loud and proud lacquer like many other shades in this collection, although I do think that Guilty Pleasure and Simply Chaotic, which I'm swatching next, are seemingly the more darker options in the release. Simply Chaotic. This thermal base contains blue, turquoise, and orange iridescent flakies. You can see how it's slowly shifting colors as I swatch. It is a turquoise color when warm, but science turns it into a pretty dark shade of purple when cool. Now, Simply Chaotic stole #1 spot from Funny Feeling in Simply's poll, and it was also the first one to sell out on the website. It seems like a lot of you just really enjoy the purple and turquoise color combo. I don't blame you. Blue and purple are like the perfect partners. And as I move on to the water experiments, you can really start to see how cool they look alongside one another. Remember, for most people, the tip of the nail will be the purple, and beneath that will be the warmer tone, which is the turquoise. TLDL, this is Holo Taco's 5th anniversary collection release, the Mixed Emotions collection. I feel like it was pretty risky of them to drop a full thermal collection in this blazing summer heat that we're experiencing, but hey, I do also get that thermals are on point with the Mixed Emotions theme they have going on here. These colors are just so wild, so varied, so vivid, and honestly, all I'm missing is a pink to lime green. I think that by now you all probably know that I'm a sucker for that color combo. But thank you for watching. I am here every week with a new swatch sesh. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.